running a movie explanation channel can make you upwards of $20,000 a month. And on top of that, you get to watch movies all day long. So what's stopping you? The main reason is that it's really hard to avoid getting copyright strikes because you're basically using movie clips throughout the video. But don't worry, I will tell you exactly how to avoid them. And the second reason is that you need to actually watch the movie 2 to 3 times to properly explain all the plot holes and hidden details, which will be exhausting. But again, there are ways to overcome this, which I will teach in this video. So stick around till the end and you will have all the information you need to start your own movie explanation channel with the help of AI without even spending $1. And to prove that I'm not bullshitting, I will also edit a video alongside and show you the first 30 seconds of it so you can compare it to your own video. So first of all, you need to figure out which type of video you're gonna make. It could be either a hidden details video or a movie mistakes video or some conspiracy theory about a plot or just an explanation of the entire movie. Now the movie explanation video will be the easiest to automate, so I'll be doing that today, but I'll give you some tips if you're going through with something else. Alright, now the next thing to do is to select a movie. It's best if you can use a movie that just got released, but you can use some popular movies at first to get the hang of it. Now the movie I'll be choosing today is none other than the greatest movie of all time, 50 Shades of The Wolf of Wall Street. And if you haven't watched this movie, you better watch it right after you finish watching this video. Anyways, you can use any movie you like. First, you need to download all the trailers of the movie and then the movie itself. Now to download the movie, I won't spell it out for you, but I will give you a hint. Johnny Depp at a bay. On a legal note though, everything in this video is for entertainment and education only. So if the FBI starts knocking, it's not my fault. Once you downloaded them, it's time to create a script. Now if you're like me and like to watch movies, you could create your own script. You could even watch it 3 to 4 times and call it work so you won't feel guilty for not doing anything productive for the day. However, if you want to automate this process, you could ask ChatGPT to write the script for you. If you want to read the plot or even give ChatGPT the plot, you could do that by just going to the official Wikipedia page of your movie and going to the plot section. Now I tried different prompts and this is the one which gave the best results. You can copy this from the description below, but make sure to change it according to your liking. Now as I said before, if you're doing a hidden detail or a movie mistakes video, I don't think ChatGPT can help you. And although this might be a little unethical, what I'd suggest is to copy off other people who are finding hidden details or mistakes and make a video off of that. But again, don't just blindly copy, it'll never work. You need to put in the work to verify whether they are legit and also write the script in a way that sounds authentic. The best way to stay up to date on movie details is to make a new TikTok account and only follow creators who are creating these type of videos, and also like their content so whenever something new is spotted, it'll be on your For You page. Normally, movie explanation videos are about 20 to 40 minutes long. However, since you're just getting started, you should try your best to keep it as short as possible, because the longer the video, the more hectic the editing process is gonna be. Alright, next up, you're gonna need a voiceover. It's free and much lively if you can record yourself, but if you have a shitty voice like mine, you can use a freelancer or you could go with an AI voice. Now remember, if you're using an AI voice, no matter the website or how much you pay for it, make sure that it sounds human. Otherwise, it's really unlikely that people will watch your videos, and even if they do, it might be difficult to get monetized by YouTube. Anyways, if you want an AI voice, you could go to 11labs.com and get a human sounding voice. Now again, this will cost you money, but you could go to this timestamp on this video on my channel to learn how to get this service from this exact website for completely free. But again, legally speaking, I won't recommend you do it. Alright, now that you got the script and the voiceover, now it's time to finally edit the video. And trust me, this will be the hardest step. You could use any video editor of your choice. I personally use Premiere Pro, but the best free alternative is Clipchamp. Alright, so I'm not gonna tell you how to edit a video because there's tons of videos on that and it will take me hours to explain properly, but what I will tell you is 5 tips to avoid getting copyright strikes, which is your main goal. So if you follow exactly what I do, you won't get any copyright violations. Number 1. Use stock footage. Instead of putting 1-minute clips from the movie, you could use some copyright-free videos from pexels.com that would fit the criteria. This will act like fillers, but you should color grade them to fit with the style of the movie. If you can't find stock videos, you could use stock images as well with a little animation. It's best if you could fill up about 50% of the video with stock footage, but if you can't, that's fine, just do your best. Number 2. Use the trailer. I understand that to retain the viewer, it's best to show some clips of the movie. But if you can, try your best to use the clips from the trailer instead. And when you're doing that, make sure to actually mention the source of the clip you're using like this. It's best if you can fill up at least 40% of the video with clips from the trailer, but don't overdo it too. Number 3. Use smaller clips. When you're using clips from the movie or the trailer, try your best to keep the clips under 10 seconds. If a clip is too long, add some stock footage in the middle to reduce the length of the clips. I know sometimes you really need to show like a 30-second clip, but try to do something to prevent it. You could try playing like 10 seconds and pause it, play some stock footage or text while you explain that scene before playing the next 10 seconds, and then just do it all over again. Or somehow just try not to show more than 10 seconds at once. Number 4. Don't add sound. Basically, when you're using clips from the trailers or the movie, don't add the original sound. Your video will immediately get banned. Just add some copyright-free background music and just use your voiceover to narrate what's happening. I know you might think that a mere 5-second clip won't do anything bad, but trust me, don't do it, you will regret it. Number 5. Edit and edit and edit and edit. Basically, just do everything you can to alter the movie clip. Use color grading, subtitles, transitions, animations, textures and everything that you can think of to at least distort the image by just 1%. Every single edit matters. Even if you do a little color grading, there might be the difference between a million views or getting banned because of copyright. It's not easy to spend hours editing movie clips, but that's the reality between making $20,000 a month or making nothing, so it's up to you. Anyways, for those of you who are still watching, I know you guys are seriously considering this, so I'll give you an additional tip. Number 6. Be aware of the industry. Like it or not, even after all those edits, your videos could still be banned. So try to be aware of what studios are more likely to ban your videos. For example, Sony will claim any copyright they can at this point, so even with all the edits, if you're making a video about Spider-Verse, your video will probably get taken down. Before you make a video, just search on Google for similar videos, and if they have done similar edits like you, and if their video is still up, you'll probably be fine. If you have a gut feeling that a particular video of yours will be banned, you're probably right. Anyway, so if you follow these footsteps and do your own research as well, I'm pretty sure you can come up with a great video. Now, as promised, I'll show you the first 30 seconds of my own video that I created just for the sake of this video.
The Wolf of Wall Street is based on the real-life story of Jordan Belfort, a charismatic stockbroker who started his own firm, Stratton Oakmont, in the late 1980s. Belfort's firm quickly becomes known for its high-pressure sales tactics and extravagant lifestyle. It's all about making money, and lots of it, no matter the cost. Our story begins with Jordan Belfort as a young and ambitious stockbroker, played by Leonardo DiCaprio. He's introduced to the world of Wall Street, where money flows like water, and greed is the driving force.
Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, make sure to ask in the comment section, as I reply to all of you. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.